Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Ulampang ka Iing Dorbar Thawain ka Jylla ba met ba lingdo menta ka singiu lakhot ya ka Jinglang jong ka high level committee kani ka Jinglang ka long banyakran halor ka Jingshna ya ka Iing Dorbar Thawain ka Jylla bat kani ka long halor ka Jingkhlem ka dum ha ka Jinglang ka baladep ka long banbu ya ka kaipon ha ka ba ka kunhun toket ka la Aisha ka high level committee namar ka sarkar ka la thung ya ka IIT Guwahati banjurep bat banlam ya ka daw jong ka Jingkhlem ka dum jong ka Iing Dorbar Thawain ka Jylla kani ka Jingjurep nia ka long ka Iing Dorbar ka ba hapdeng ka benta ka ba shaneng bar ka benta ka ba sharum kumba ka long ka kaipot ka long ba ka Biang ka kaipot ka ong ba ka Iing Dorbar ka long ka ba shngany kila kadoru ya ka daw jong ka Jingkhlem ka dum habai dei ba ka Jingkhlem ka dum ka daw ka ba kongsan ka long ba kamdan ka ta ka jing sautu jingmun hapdeng ka company ka ba drop an wandori ka Iing baru kontraktor bar ka PMC habai dei ba ka PWD ka ba dei pet ya ka kamshna Iing ka sarkar ka la shim ya ka rai banbu ya PMC dau briu ba don ya ka jingtip ka ba bania bha uban dei engineer habai dei ba ka jingbom don ka ta ka jing sautu jingmut hapdeng ka company baru nong dro baru kontraktor ba pentrei ka sarkar kan sale ya ka ba don kam
in my office chamber in Melbourne, where we had a follow-up meeting with regards to the construction of the new assembly building, matter related to the collapse of the dome. The last meeting that we had was basically to present the report of the audit team, where the government has appointed the IIT Guwahati to do the audit as far as this safety is concerned for all the central wing, the left wing and the right wing. And I'm to inform you also that the report is very positive, which says that the building is safe and they have also pointed out the reason of the collapse of the dome, where in short they have mentioned that it is because of the lack of coordination between the designer, the contractor and the PMC. Now, since the building is safe, but before that we would like to know why the dome collapsed. We have conveyed a message from all the members of the HPC to the government to look into the areas where the reasons of the collapse of the dome. The government has given a show cause to the designer and the contractor. And in fact, we are glad to note here that today the government has reported that they have given a show cause and where they have worked out and agreed upon, first with the designer, that as per the penalty clause of the agreement that the government has signed with the designer, that penalty clause will be imposed on the designer. As per the information is that the designer also has accepted, and they have also assured that because of the availability of the technical engineer who is supposed to be there at site to supervise or to coordinate for the designing part. They have assured that from now onwards they will do that and ensure that the technical person who has the capacity to look after these kind of projects and construction will be ensured that it will be stationed in Shillong to monitor and coordinate about the construction. They have also agreed that the new dome design will be prepared by them without any cost, extra cost from the government. That is what they have expressed from the designer side. And at the same time, there will be no claim for the designer for any extra works. As I have said, it will be free of cost. As IIT Guwahati audit team has suggested that light materials will be used now for the dome portion. It was also agreed that yes, we will go ahead with the light material as far as the dome portion is concerned. Second part here is the contractor. Contractor also accepted that there's some lapses from their end, and now since we have agreed also to go ahead with the construction, they have agreed to clear out all the debris which have been accumulated there because of the collapse.